The 10 Commandments of Trading. Essential rules for every trader. Number 1. Thou shalt develop a trading plan. A well-thought-out trading plan should include your daily profit targets, risk tolerance, methodology, and criteria for entering and exiting trades. Stick to your plan. Number 2. Thou shalt take profits. If your trade is in the green and you're approaching a known support or resistance level, get paid. Don't let winners turn to losers. Number 3. Thou shalt be decisive. If you've qualified a trade following your plan and all the signals are go, pull the trigger. Indecision is worse than a bad decision. So shit or get off the pot. Number 4. Thou shalt take small losses. Taking losses is part of the business. Small losses aren't considered losing trades. It's proper risk management. Number 5. Thou shalt not double down. If you find yourself in a losing trade, cut your losses and get out. Doubling down is for blackjack. Number 6. Thou shalt keep emotions in check. Trading decisions should be based on logic and analysis, not emotions like fear or greed. Emotional discipline is key to making money in the markets. Number 7. Thou shalt not take it personally. The market doesn't give a shit about you and your little one-lot micro contract, nor does it move against you or out to get you. It's just doing its thing. Number 8. Thou shalt not trade without stop losses. Using stops is proper risk management. Not using them leave the door open to a blown account. Number 9. Thou shalt not revenge trade. Trying to recover losses by increasing trade sizes or taking more risks will lead to even greater losses. Just walk away and live to trade another day. Number 10. Thou shalt not marry thy trades. Attachment to a position can cloud your judgment. Remember, you're here to make money, not to be right. For more trading tips, strategies, live trading sessions, and to suck less at day trading, please like, share, and subscribe. To celebrate the release of our new book, How to Suck Less at Day Trading, we are offering a limited time free giveaway. This 2-part series collection covers over 750 pages of market mastery covering every topic a day trader will need to profit from the markets. All we ask is you leave us an honest review on Amazon. Your positive review will help us spread the word and level the playing field between us retail traders and the institutional behemoths we are up against daily. Please visit us at www.zillionairepublishing.com/book giveaway. Also, be sure to join our community by subscribing to the channel and gain access to our upcoming YouTube live trading room to watch our live price action trading sessions daily. Quote, "The goal of a successful trader is to make the best trades. Money is secondary." Alexander Elder,